It's great to have your company this Wednesday, the 24th of November. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the market had a positive day yesterday. Let's take a look at what happened before we look to the day ahead. The ASX 200 closed 0.8% higher, with energy and material sectors making the strongest gains. All but three sectors advanced, and information technology took the biggest hit, falling 3.5%. Looking at the best and worst performers on your screens now, quite a few mining stocks made the leaderboard. Yesterday, iron ore miners rose higher in response to the higher iron ore and oil prices in the spot market. Among the top 10, Fortescue, Mineral Resources, Whitehaven Coal, BHP, Rio, Beach Energy and Woodside Petroleum. Fortescue Metals, FMG, advanced the most, up almost 10% by a close of trade. However, gold miners fell yesterday as the price of gold fell to a 3-week low and the Australian dollar was down to a 7-week low. This saw Silver Lake Resources, SLR, third last on the chart, down 5.6%. The tech names were also deep in the red. These included Afterpay, APT, following the decline of Square shares in New York, as well as EML Payments, NextDC, NXT, and WiseTech, WTC. Meanwhile, Bapcor, BAP, was the worst performer after the company's founder and CEO announced his departure. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday included Sonic Healthcare, SHL, Champion Iron, CIA, NAB and BHP. In US equities, the S&P 500 rose 0.2% and the Dow rose 0.6%. However, rising treasury yields weighed down on the major tech names and the tech-heavy Nasdaq closed 0.5% lower, falling for the second consecutive day. The jump in treasury yields saw a decline in growth stocks as higher rates make future earnings for high-growth companies look less attractive. The yield on the US 10-year note was 6 basis points higher. Now, as for what to watch today, the ASX 200 is set to open flat, with the SPI futures suggesting a modest rise of just 0.01%. The oil price is up 2.3% after an announcement of a coordinated release of oil reserves in the US, India, China, Japan, Republic of Korea and the UK in a bid to depress prices. Gold is trading below $1,800 an ounce, the lowest level in 3 weeks following Jerome Powell's reappointment. Spot iron ore is trading almost 5% higher, extending the rebound from an 18-month low, with China's steel mills expected to increase production and traders are betting on a bullish demand outlook. And the seaborne iron ore price is trading higher at $94 a tonne. Now, Webjet, WEB, released its half-year results this morning. The business is picking up as global travel markets start to reopen. The company reported significant positive cash generation with cash surplus of $3.5 million per month, and total transaction volume, revenue and EBIT were all increasing as well. Now, Harvey Norman, HVN and Ramsay Healthcare, RHC, will hold their AGMs today, and a few stocks are set to go ex-dividend today, including GrainCorp, that's GNC, HGL Limited, their ticker is HGN, and Whitefield, WHF. This often sees shares fall as investors take their profits. Now, as for some trading ideas for your consideration, Bell Potter maintain their buy rating on nickel mines, NIC, and have increased their price target from $1.42 to $1.68. Nickel mines has advanced over 17% over the last week and closed yesterday at $1.31, implying 27.8% share price growth in a year. And bullish charting signals have been identified in Tabcorp Holdings, TAH, Orocobre, ORE, and Centurus Metals, CTM, according to Trading Central. Now, that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.